Alright, Braun. You just heal them. I'm gonna go over there.
Got it.
Where am I?
Just don't worry about it.
Tell me!
Like I said, don't worry about it.
Why is he here? What the frick happened? Oh.
Big chaos.
What the scrap am I? You. Apparently they won't tell us.
Listen here. I need your help to get revenge on Thundering. Think you could help me out?
Hell no. Now, if you'll
But
excuse
I'll give
me,
you
I would
something
like
in
to
return
leave.
of what you want. I'll give you something in return of what you want.
What could
What's your
you
request?
give me?
Whatever you desire. Freedom.
You know the bastards named Wheeljack and Shockwave?
I believe I do.
I want them dead. Bring them to
Done.
me. I want to kill them.
Granted.
What's this, Jack?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Well, you'll learn.
Be quiet.
You be quiet, son.
Shut up, Combaticon!
Alright. So what I want to do is go in, kill Thundering. Got it?
Is that all you have for your plan? Just go in and shoot?
Well,
You look
there's
like
more
a
to
dog
this
like
plan.
this.
Well, we'll
Let's
go
just
as we
go.
come.
You the owner?
Huh? Oh, hold on.
I
All
guess
right.
you are.
What the hell you want? Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome to my beautiful city. What brings you here upon my humble abode?
I want to make a deal with you.
Okay,
Pretty much I just
Got
want
it.
the city.
pardon me?
The city. I want it for myself.
Okay, so I think I might be going a little deaf, but I swear to God, it sounds like you're offering for my city. You know, my city.
Listen, if you want me to add please to it, you're gonna have to give it to me or I'll shoot you. I don't mean it, but I might. All I'm saying is give me the city.
I'd rather give you something else other than the city and involve some of my teakog and you to get the hell out of my goddamn room if you're going to keep talking like that. Trying to talk some
Let me say
stupid
one
shit up,
thing.
trying to get
You
what's
give me
mine.
the city, or I'll shoot your head off. We have to make this hard.
Everyone heads up!
I think I'm pretty much good at where I stand. You know,
Keep
why
them
do
in
you
the air,
boys
pals.
Just think that you can take what doesn't belong to you. Well,
Hands
if
up,
it
big
isn't my
boy.
trusted man.
They didn't say Sunstreaker would be here, right?
Oh, Jesus!
Something.
Crap!
Jesus Christ!
I'll worry about
Come
you
on.
after.
Well, don't just flail around or whatever. I should
Shit.
try and take him out. My God, I've seen
Oh,
better
man.
fancies.
Onslaught!
You
Whoa,
shush.
whoa, Jesus!
Driven! I'm for the Icon City deal. Come on.
Get your tailpipes back here!
Well, that went pretty well. Thank you, boys. Dropkick, onslaught, come here.
Thunderwing.
Oh, gentlemen, welcome. Please, make
We
yourself
have,
comfortable.
We have troubling news.
Oh dear. Alright, what is it this time?
People are trying to make attempts on your life. They're gonna try to assassinate you.
What did I just ask? For news. That happens every cycle. What's so special about this one?
You don't
I'll let
understand.
him tell you.
You're getting hunted down by a prime, sir.
So did you say a prime?
Yes, sir, that's what I said.
Yeah, you know, the big guys, the mostly in charge people who haven't existed for a while?
Do you know the reasoning?
No.
Your guess is as good as ours.
Maybe because you're a cutthroat businessman who hurts people a lot.
And that you're
Don't push
really racist? Am I wrong?
Hey, don't forget who this guy is.
A prime.
We have more pressing matters, man.
A prime. Trying to take
Yes.
me out.
Yes.
You know what this means, right?
No.
Well, you are now. Guess what? Y'all are going to go to war. I don't care how much money that takes. I don't care how many of you needs to be thrown out there. I will not be subjugated and put down like some dog by a prime. Alright? And you two are going to ensure that doesn't happen. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Because I'm not really feeling the same confidence here.
Yes, sir. We will.
Okay, good. Because I swear to God, if I don't hear that this prime is... Which prime even is it?
Apparently,
Onyx Prime?
yeah.
Who even is that?
The farm guy kind of looks like I don't know. He's just a big guy.
Look, it doesn't matter, okay? It's just gonna be another piece of metal for the foundation of my little apartment here, alright? Okay?
What if the other primes come after you? I mean,
Well,
I heard there
guess
might be
what?
a new prime coming.
Can I tell you what's gonna happen? You're gonna stop it.
You think we can take on a prime?
Oh, no. I don't think. I guarantee, because if you don't, I'll just get someone else to do it. And I'll make you pull their wagons or whatever. Would you want to be that? Do you want to be from a soldier to just some other Viet Cong slave? Or do you want
No, sir.
to rise to power? Be grateful for what I'm giving you. And you better, I swear to God, if I don't have the head of that prime, I swear to God, I will hunt down everyone in your goddamn servo connection. I swear it. Upon my goddamn spark. I swear it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Get out of my face.
Come on,
Wrestle
Roblox, we
up
gotta
an
go.
army. Mercenaries, whatever. Just get people.
Oh, goddamn.